Welcome guys to daily insight on analysis which we have missed during the day, which is setups which happened during the day rather, and potential entries we could have gotten or have missed during the day, and what is going to happen next. So we're going to be using, we know we do use structure as our guide. Structure, market structure as our guide. So without wasting any time, we could see starting on the 4 hour, because we use 3 time frames. We use the 4 hour to the 15 minute, then to the 1 minute multiple time frame analysis. So on the 4 hour, we could see clearly that we are uptrend. I don't like going to look back what's happening. No. I'm more concerned with what this recent, at least 2 weeks of happening. Let me see. Using my separator, I could see 1, 2, 3. Okay, see 3 weeks of what's happening. Well, 3 weeks now, market has been bullish on the 4 hours. So on this place, doing analysis for Friday, what happened on Friday, coming to Monday. So we could see there was a break of structure on the 4 hour here. We'll level that as a break of structure. Okay, break of structure on the 4 hour, and we know this is our low, right? Our strong low, and we can't call this a weak high yet, because let's see, you remember our pullback is always 3 pushes or 3 drops. You could see this is the 1, this is the highest candle. 1, it breaks that low. 2, this candle, does it break that low? Yeah. 3. Okay, so this is a valid pullback already. So market can just continue from here and create another 4 hour high. So now we are in this, we have created our box, what we're looking for. So this is a high, low. Let's mark it out with high, low, our high. Now we're looking for something to create a low here before it creates a high above. But before that, let's mark out what we are doing analysis for. What happened on Friday. So this is Friday. Yes, this is Friday. So I'm gonna mark that out. Friday. All right, good. So marking that out on Friday. So since it's on Friday, that means this structure hasn't happened yet, right? So we had a break of structure here that occurred here already on 4 hour, and we don't have any pullback. Prices continue high coming towards Friday. So from this week, we know that we're in bullish trend coming into this is Friday, right? This is Friday, where we mark our high and mark our low, because it's a valid pullback to the downside. We're going to the 15 minutes. Come to the 15 minutes on Friday. All right, what do? We always like to mark our 15 minutes structures, where we have the last 15-minute break of structure was here, break of structure, and price went high. Let me use this marker. We have this break of structure on the 15 minutes here. Let me change this to color to yellow. So this is the 15-minute structures break, right? This is a break of structure on the 15 minutes. Price went high, right? Price pull back up. Remember, this is the 15 minutes area. This is just internal highs and lows, internal high, low, high, low, high, low. These are the internals. Let me change out color to blue. So these are the internals: high, low, high, low. Create a high here, and we have the last low here. So this was on Thursday, right? This is Thursday price action. See high, low, high, low, high, low, low, high, then lower low, then create a what? High, and created a low, right? So we're internal, we're inside this 50 minutes what structure. Okay, so now that's our last price action, right? So what we do normally, this is an internal structure. I use this for the internal to mark out that these are what internal what structure. So these are internal break off structure, right? So after a break off structure, what do we look for? We always take our order block on the extreme. On the extreme here, right? So this is a break off structure here, high, low, the break structure to the upside. So continue marking it. We have this, right? But we don't have a valid pullback to the downside, so we automatically know that this is our high. So from here to here is a high. This is not a hot high. Correct? Correct. So what the price do? Price came down one push, 2 times, 3 times, and see that explosion during the what? During the news event. So take this out. So we know this is what? This is our push to the upside. So now how do we find our trade after marking this structure? Now we turn on our section indicators, and we look for what key levels. We know levels are always where we want to trade our make our trades from. So what are these key levels? Asian highs, London highs and lows, daily highs and lows. These are places we want to be looking for our trades from. So we mark out our Asian high, which our Asian high was here, right? Yep, that's our Asian high. So we mark our Asian high. I will mark our Asian low, right? But we could see that price took out the Asian high during the London section, which we will look for that potential short to inside this order block. Remember that always. Look for that short into this order block. And for me to confirm that yes, this order block is going to work really, I need to see a section opening inside that order block. It gives you like it's an A+ setup, right? Price should take out always. We say reversals happen where at what key levels, either at the Asian high or low, London high or low, daily highs or low. So in this scenario here in the morning, we could see that price take out the key level, which is what the Asian's high. It took out the Asian high to what? To come down. And later in the day, it took out what? The London low. Remember, this is the London low. This is London closes by 12 and New York starts by 1. So we could see here perfectly that in the morning, key level was taken out to push lower to this other block, where they now later did what? Take another key level, which is the London low. If you see what happened here, they came down, they push up. What the Asians do? What the New York do? New York just came, take out this low, and continue. And here is the psychological part of this story. They always do 3 pushes. We humans will always follow something that, like, let me say something is continuous, we like to join that continuation, right? Okay, this is what they do. Let me say price is in an uptrend, right? They do 1 time, they push it up 1 time. Everybody I've seen is going up, right? Everybody sees going up. People join here, right? They break structure. Okay, they'll pull back again. They know that people will still join them here again. They continue. They break structure. They know people will still come back to join them at this point again and continue. What do? Now the new people that come in now will see, this price is in uptrend, let's join this trend. This is a breakout 1 times, 2 times. So this third one, let's join the race. Watch what happens. Sometimes they do this, they will still allow you to continue the trend. Those new people that join, the trend is still going up. Cool, right? They'll be doing it. They'll go down 1 time, 2 times, the 3rd time, right? Sometimes they might even do it the fourth time if they don't have enough the money they need to manipulate down. Then what will happen? They'll still come back down here. Well, as they come back down here, they will do something like this to show you that I want to continue, right? But no, they'll just come and take out these guys, take out everybody, and what? And continue their trend upward. That's what they do. So I do call it 3 pushes or 3 drops. Like we could see here, you see they came, one break of structure, they pull back, we join them here. Normally we'll join them this morning there. So we just mark there as our what, as our point of interest, which is here, which we're going to join them. Let me mark it out because that's a key level. That's the area we're going to join in trade. Taking time to load. Okay. As it's loading, we continue. You will see that there was a break here and price pull back into this order block. Let's wait. Price pull back into this other block, and what happened? Price came down, price take out this low again. You see what it did? Price pulled back up, price came back down, break of structure. And what do you see? People have already placed an entry here. Want to what? Follow this trend downward. What happened? Boom, just take everybody out and continue upward. And it's not just coincidence or something. It's all what about timing, levels, and what behavior of price at each levels. You could see this is timing. What time is this? 8 o'clock sharp. You could see there. London open. London has opened. Okay. Now price came down. You see that large push telling you that there is what? There is momentum coming into this market to go on down. What they do? They retrace back a little, come back into what? Their orders that was left behind, and did what? Came down. Take out this place again. Break off structure. When was this? This is inside the London section, right? It's inside the London section. 1 push down, 2 push down, they push back up, giving you that 1, 2, 3 candle to the upside. They're tagging us that puts this thing here. Another people come to the market at this place an entry here. They came down, break structure, keeping this clean, this thing for you to see. You see, they keep a very clean setup for you. Break of structure and what other block. But what most people don't know, that this is a key level. This was what? This is the London low. New York is coming into what? London. They came in. Same thing that happened with these guys here. Now, this is not a high. This is a low. This is a break of structure. Normally, you're supposed to be looking for trade here now to buy. But this is a key level. At key levels, reversal almost happen every time there. So same thing you see here. This is the London low, which was around 12:30. 1 o'clock came. They came down into here. 2 o'clock. 2:30 is what? Equity market open. What happened? 2 o'clock came in. 2:30, you see, they pinned that low. There, they took out this last money here, pinned that low, and what happened? They continue what? Upward. That's how you know trends are about to reverse, or yeah, those are about to reverse. Mostly key levels are for where trends reverse. I do take continuation, but with caution. So we could have one trade here and another successful trade here. In subsequent time, I will be talking about my entries on the 1 minute, because entries are very, very important. But on Friday, it could have been a successful trade entering from here using structure, which could have one trade here and the second trade during the World London session. So let's talk about today what is going to happen. So after that break of structure, we have the 15-minute break structure here, right? Yeah, we have 15-minute breaking structure here, creating this low and this high for us. So now price is what? Retracing backward. And we could see, remember we talk about what levels, keyword levels. You could see here that this is the Asian low, right? This is the Asian low, right? So price has taken out the Asian low here. Price took out the Asian low, but hasn't really change character, because we could see high, low, high, low. There's no high giving us this is just a high, right? So we're expecting what? We're expecting a long from here, because we could see there's a clear order block sits right in there. Price has taken out. This is very easy to understand. Price, this is the order block. Price has taken out a key section. Price is creating lower lows down. Let's see if it's creating a tree push, which is what very what important. So we could see that price has created one push down. People entered here, right? Where did they break? They break there. Yeah. Second push down. People entered here. Now they're in the third phase. You see, this is the third phase, where others will be looking to enter here or here, and they might come and loss. Take out these people, come back to something here, and ride on the trend. So this is what we are hoping to see. The price will react from here to take out this 4-hour high. This is the market analysis for today, and I said subsequent time I'll be showing you how I enter my trades on the 1 minute using 3 pushes and still key levels on the 1 minute to fine-tune my A+ setups. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel.